I love the look of photos taken from disposable cams. Maybe it's just nostalgia, but I know to me, it just looks and feels warmer, more intimate in a way. Hello everyone, my name is Wayne, and in this episode we're gonna see if we can replicate that look and feel using this lens. This is the Gizmon Utulens. I'm probably butchering the name, so I'm just gonna call it the Gizmon lens because it's a lot easier to say. I got the Micro Four Thirds version, but they also make this for other mounts. This lens is literally a recycled and rehoused lens that came from a Fujifilm Quicksnap disposable cam. And much like a disposable cam, this lens is mostly plastic apart from the mount. It's fixed focus, so there's no focus ring. You can, however, loosen the front part if you need to adjust the focus a bit. The minimum focus distance is listed at approximately 3 meters, but I found that it's actually farther when testing this out. The aperture is also fixed at f16, so this lens is pretty limited. But I think all those limitations add to the fun of using this lens. What's more important and exciting to me is if it can emulate that lo-fi or nostalgic film look. If it can, then this lens might be a great storytelling tool if I need to evoke that vibe or emotion, not only for photos but also for videos. So to see if it actually can, what I did was I bought a Fujifilm Quicksnap and shot it side by side with my GH5 with the Gizmon lens. In addition, I also shot all the videos in the upcoming sequence using the same combo with this setting. And here's what I got. So looking at the photos, I think this lens is a great starting point to emulate the lo-fi film look. Of course, it's not going to be 100% the same. There's just certain things about film that is hard to replicate without spending some time in post. Like to me, the photos taken from the disposable cam is most saturated and warm. I love the colors without even touching it in post. More specifically, the greens and reds look really nice. But the image that come out from the GH5 with the Gizmon lens is pretty dope too. It produces a soft, film-like image that looks diffused, similar to the effect you get from a vintage lens or a Pro Mist filter. It also produces the magenta flares that you usually get from a disposable cam, which adds to the film look. To be honest, to the untrained eye, it's hard to tell at times which photos came from what camera. Another cool thing about this lens is, coming in at only 49 bucks, it's also pretty cheap. So yeah, I would definitely add this to my toolkit. I can see me using this for future projects if I need to fake that lo-fi or nostalgic film look. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that little test. If y'all did, I would appreciate if you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.